I'm just gonna loosely organize these. I have this, 3 different bins. I have, you know what, let's do it this way, and I'll show you in a second. I'm gonna get everything out. I'm gonna dump everything out, because when I get new beads or do a new bead haul, I tend to keep the new beads inside the bags, just because, I don't know why. I guess it just feels like I still have I don't know why I keep my newest beads in bags. I just do that. I'm gonna change that today because I have like freaking 4 bags of beads, y'all, and it's just not. It's getting kind of a bit messy on the table having three grocery bags worth of beads. So we dump these out. That was from Temu, not Hobby Lobby. I just have it in a Hobby Lobby bag. And then this is from Michaels. Actually, no, I'm gonna add a new bin type actually while I do this. So these are all the beads that I've gotten over time and I need to organize. So let's see. So I have a bin for just basic plastic beads, which is this bin. Just basic plastic beads, you know, like these clear iridescent ones or these or little hearts. Like they're not what I consider nice beads. They're just, you know, basic plastic beads. I have that bin. I have this bin, which is the beads I consider a little bit nicer. You know, I have the semi-precious stone beads in here, like this. I have like these kind of beads in here. These are definitely nicer than those other beads, right? They're a little bit nicer. These cute little stars and just, you know, just the nicer quality beads I have in here. But I am getting to the point where I am getting a lot of stone beads, so I might actually make a 3rd bin or a 4th bin just for stone beads. I might do that. Will I do that today? Maybe. I think I will actually. It's about that time, I think. That way I can get to things more easily. But I have that bin. And then the last bin I have is just for seed beads. I don't think I'll be using this one today. Oh yeah, I will actually. So there are seed beads in this mix. And this is my bin for seed beads. Okay. Those are all my bin types. So, oops. I don't know if I can do this with, I'll have everything on camera. I can try. Let's see, how can I do this? Ooh. Let me get organized. I don't think that I can. I don't really, you know, I completely just get the seed beads out of the way because I don't have that many seed beads in my stash. So I have these. This will go in the seed bead box. I have these. I think there's like 2 or 3. I think there's only 2 seed beads. Where's the other seed bead? Oh, we only have one? No, how about I had another pack of seed beads? Huh. I don't know why I thought there was another seed bead pack. Maybe I already cut it up. Alright, well, alright. Here's a seed bead. In you go. Done. Now I can get the seed bead box out of the way. It's mostly just plastic beads and stone beads that I need to organize. Alright, so 2 to the side. Now we have basic plastic beads and the nicer beads. I can finally get this a little more organized. I'm trying to get this on camera so you guys can see the process. I just don't want to zoom out too much because then you get the stupid camera leg in the way. You know what? We're gonna look at the camera leg. It's fine. You guys can see everything. And that way I can more easily do this. Oh goodness. You know what? I might have to start that 3rd bin now because there's no way. I don't think all these are gonna fit. You know what? I'm gonna start the 3rd stone bead, but I'm not gonna start the 3rd stone only bin, but I don't think I'm gonna take the time to pull these out right now because I do need to do other things today. I'll just kind of put these stone beads in their own bin as I come across them. Let me grab that 3rd bin real quick. I feel like this is gonna get way too full. I have so many nicer beads right here. All right. 1 second. Ah! Just dropped a bin, so let's scoop this back. I have room. Show all the bins. Maybe you move too. This table's getting real crowded. All right, so this will be for stone beads. These are my nicer plastic beads, and we're gonna get this done. Let's see. Maybe I will take a second. Let's see. You're a stone bead. Okay. You're a stone bead. You're a stone bead. Stone. This is considered a stone, I guess. Yeah, it's not plastic. Stone, 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 don't know. With this, I wonder. Yeah, I guess I should. Yeah. I guess am I gonna consider these as part of the stone ones? I guess because they're not plastic, but they're not stone either. I mean, they are plastic, but you know what I mean. These are definitely. I know these are actually glass. It's kind of hard to organize sometimes. It's kind of hard to decide what to do sometimes. I guess I'll go over here. I think. Stones. Are we gonna consider these stones? It's glass. It's hard, y'all. I do have a lot of plastic beads now. I think I will. With a Temu, yeah, I will. Okay. Anything that's not plastic, I guess we'll go over here because I do have a lot. Have a lot of plastic ones from the Temu haul, and this bin is gonna get overflowing if I don't do that. So I think I will. That includes glass beads. So we'll have basic B plastic, nicer plastic, and then the super nice, you know, stone and everything else beads over here. Kind of like a miscellaneous pile. Doesn't really matter where this goes. These are just leftovers from various. You go over there. You go over there. Let's see. Let's see. All right, so I got these. These will go over there. These are those really cute elephants from Hobby Lobby. Those clearance stone beads. Got these over here. We're going to stone. These are going to plastic. Wait, did I get all the stone ones out of here? Let me get all the stones out of here. This, I don't know what to do with this miscellaneous. All right, I think I got everybody out. This is an empty bag. Oh no, there's little tiny seed beads in there. See. Okay, these will go over here. These, oh, that's hard. Huh. I guess I'll go in here. All right, all these are stone, or nicer ones. All these will go over here. These will go over here. Those. These plastic butterflies, they'll go in here. Little kitty cats here. Huh, these, I wonder if I should put these over here. Say we're meant to go with these. Guess I'll keep them together. You know what, I could just open these up and throw them in the bag with these. I'll keep them together so I don't know, so I don't forget they're supposed to go together. 2 stone beads. I'm tired of looking at these. How much can I zoom in without losing the view? I hate looking at the camera legs in the view. Ooh, that's too close. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. You guys won't be able to see everything if I do that. It's fine. We'll work with it. It's fine. All right. Stones. Oops, stones. 2 more stones. Oops, I keep knocking my setup. Stones, whoops. Stones. Cute little, oh, what's that with these? I guess these would be nicer plastic beads, I guess. These cute ones, cute black and white hearts. Like these, those will go over here. They'll also go over here. Okay, we got the hearts. I do really like these, but these be basic. Spacer beads are what they be over here. Just to consider these nicer. Little strawberries. There's an empty bag. Butterflies. Little teddy bears. Got these. Stone beads. Oh, my little fishies. They're so cute. I love these. I'm gonna make these into earrings. Guess I'll go over here. Strawberries. Sunshines. Almost done. Last few. Cute little strawberry bunnies. More butterflies. Black and white stars. Butterflies. And then my last two Tamagotchis. All right, I think that's much better. Yeah, you can see if I hadn't done this, y'all, there's no way these two could have been combined. It would have been too full. I just can't believe I have this many stone beads now. Oh my gosh. Wow. And the collection grows ever bigger. Ever bigger. All right, thank you guys for joining me in my very brief organization video. Kind of got that straightened out. That was kind of bugging me, honestly, having these two types mixed together. It's time. I've gotten so many new beads. This feels good too to have them out of the bags. I don't know why I like to keep my new beads in the shopping bag for a little bit. It just makes me feel like I just got them back from shopping. I don't know why I did that. Anyways, it's done. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I'll probably have a more in-depth organization video at some point in the future once I get a better systems or more cubbies or something. But for now, this is kind of how I organize my beads. I have the two containers. I have these containers of, you know, pony beads and my little CD packs over here, and I kind of keep everything in this container like this. And like I said, there's one more container just for seed beads that I have. So, and that's kind of how I do it. We got a lot of bracelets to make. There'll be a lot of bracelet making videos. I'll do my best to make them entertaining for you guys. If there's certain formats that you like, please let me know so I can make them, you know, be entertaining and not boring for you guys. But I do appreciate you guys when you sit with me and make beads with me. So there'll be a lot more of those because I have a lot of beads to get through. So I'll see you guys very soon. I gotta go make some bracelets. Bye.